Hi, I just wrapped up the restoration of this dual turntable, and when I was doing some testing with it and I had it all hooked up, I noticed that I would get a loud popping noise in the speakers whenever the turntable started or stopped. So I went about fixing that, but I wanted to share this with you in case you have a similar problem. So I tried to capture that in this next little clip here, and hopefully you can hear the clicking sound, and if it's the same problem you're experiencing, maybe this will help you. So this is what the popping noise sounded like. So in all likelihood, I think that the popping sound is coming from a failed capacitor. So we've got the power off. We're going to remove the bottom cover, take off the perimeter screws. There's a couple of covers we're going to take off. One is for the connector wires that come in and the on-off switch cover. And we'll zoom in on this a little bit, and I think you can see right away, sometimes you get a visual, and here's the capacitor, and you can see that it's cracked and in all likelihood failed. So we've got the capacitor out at this point, and I'm just connecting it up to my tester here, and I'm getting no reading at all. And I've got a replacement capacitor. It's a 0.068 microfarad, 250 volt. And you can see we're getting the proper reading with that capacitor. Here's a kind of close-up of the failed capacitor all broken. Now we've got the new capacitor installed and in place. The unit's all hooked up back together and ready to test. So as you could hear, with the new capacitor installed, no more popping sound out of the speakers. So if you're experiencing a problem like this might be something that you want to take a look at as well. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Have a good day.